Yeah, people come in here and say they love our workshop. Fascinating with all the equipment, and for me it's just a big mess, which so busy doing repair work, never actually have time to do much tidying. It's an odd industry that you tend to come in if you're in the family or a friend of a friend sort of thing. It would be an odd one for someone to leave school and say, oh, I'm going to be a watch repairer. There's so few of us left, very few left. I'm not too sure how that will, in 10 years' time, when I'll probably retire, how that will, change things. We will probably need to get watchmakers in from overseas. But, doing watch repair work for the last 25 years, I've had rheumatoid arthritis, and I've been lucky that it hasn't affected my fingers, although I've got 2 metal wrist replacements, 2 metal knees. The health conditions have been a struggle for me doing this sort of work. But, touch wood, just keep on going. Been in this shop for 16 years and I don't even have to advertise much. Most people just know where to rock up, and most customers I see, I've known for year after year sort of things.